Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to review your quizzes. So today I am in a sample course that I've created. As you can see, it's English, Math, and French. Whoa, what a combo. And I'm signed in as one of my test students, Chris Circle. And Chris has completed a quiz, and the reason you're probably watching this is because you've done that too. Complete a quiz or test here on the ELC and you're ready to review it. So if you like, go ahead and follow along with me and I will show you how to click through. If you are following along at the same time as you are doing it, please be sure to remember that you can pause at any point so that way you can catch back up to me or you can rewatch something if you need to. So right now, as you can see, we're in week 19, which if you're watching this video when it first comes out, it is actually September. So week 19 is definitely far from where you are, but that's where Chris Circle's assignment was. So here in week 19, as you can see, he's already clicked, or I've already clicked on the name week 19. So it's opened everything up. And the test that I want to, the quiz that I want to review is this, the week 19 math video quiz. So I'm going to click on that. And you'll do the same, just click on the name of your quiz. Now, this is where normally you would come and you would click, that you want to do the quiz. However, after the quiz has been finished, and typically after the quiz is completely closed, so the date upon which nobody else can submit anything is when you can actually come back and review. This way, there isn't the potential of you accidentally seeing answers and your friend peeking over your shoulder and finding out what the answers are supposed to be, anything like that. So as you can see, it has a summary of your previous attempts right here. And as you can see, he did it in August. And the marks shows us how he did grade 2. Yikes. Poor Chris. There's only one question. I think I was using him as an example of what doesn't go well. Anyways, poor Chris, we'll see what he did wrong. So right here, we're going to click on review and that'll show us the answers. So in this case, we only have one question that was on this quiz. However, if there was more than one question, which the odds are there were, you could see the list of them right here. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, on and on and on. And usually you can actually also see them all on one page. There's usually a way to do that. If not, then no worries. You can still see them individually. So as you can see, it gives us some different data. So we can see when we started this question, it's finished, when we completed it, how long you were on the question, and then of course your grade. And as you can see, Chris Circle totally got it wrong. Ouch. Poor guy. It also shows you though which question you selected, that it was wrong or that it was right. If it was right, it would be green. And it also shows you down here your answer is incorrect and then what the correct answer was. Obviously, if you got it correct, then it would tell you that as well and would confirm what the correct answer is on the bottom. Now, another cool thing that there is a comment area. So depending on the quiz, sometimes your teachers might leave comments for you. This is more common if you did like a short paragraph or response. That way you can see what they said back. And that would all appear right down here. Then once you're finished, you can hit Finish Review, and it'll bring you back to this page. Now, another thing that you sometimes need to do is print it. I know that in some of the science courses, we use the quizzes as a means of studying for other tests. So the unfortunate news is there is no super easy way to print it. It's not like they have a special print screen, I'm so sorry to say. But what we can do is go back into the review and you could actually print this and it will show up on a printed page. If you want, I can even show you a PDF version of that. So let's go ahead, oops, wrong button. Let's go ahead and print this and I can give you an idea. Print it as Adobe. Let's print it. I'll give it a name. Where should we put it? I never know where to put it. It's such a quandary. All right, let me save it just a moment. All right, so I have saved it. I've opened it back up. Wow, thank you, Adobe. Whoa, no, stop that. Stop that. And now there we go, home. Can I see my document? There we go. All right, so now it is opened up, and as you can see, it's not quite the same as this, but it still shows me all the data that I need. So that way it's easy for me to see what my answers were. And yeah, it might take up a little bit of extra room on a page, but it still is going to be able to do the trick. So that's the best that we've got for printing right now. Obviously, I'll let you know if we do come up with anything better. So that's basically how you review your quizzes and how you can print them off. If you have any questions or need any help, let me, Mrs. Cannon, know. Have a wonderful day.